Okay, as I said before, there are no hangers available in my area, so came out here and worked in the shop. Got the table built from the box. Got my generator sitting under there. Of course, it's just a rough outline right now. But I gotta come back here. Some of the tools I picked up for the job. I come back here after I charge up my little drill there. I gotta finish setting a couple of screws here to keep the table steady. Some more tools. Got the air compressor. And then we got airplane parts. And more parts. And more parts and more parts and more parts. And an empty box. And some refuse in my truck. So, that's the progress so far. It's going to take me about a week and a half. And I'm doing this freehand, so I don't know if I'm centered or not. But, yeah. Like I said before, I'm John. I'm building the plane. So, let's take a look at some what else I've got here. I got my tools over here. I got my air hose. I got a bench grinder there. It's the box for the drill. There's the generator wheel kit. There's for the little cutter here. Got that for the very first step in the instructions, saying to cut some parts apart. Which parts am I referring to? Good question. These parts right here. Very first step. Also separate these 4 hinge brackets and these 4 pieces here. Very first step. Make these hinge brackets. We get to do some cutting and then some grinding. And then hopefully get some rivets set. And hopefully if things go good, there's boxes and boxes of rivets. Bunches of rivets in this plane. Lots and lots of rivets. But I'm also kind of flummoxed. I was talking to the guys down at Fun and Son. I made the commitment to buy the plane. I was under the impression that 95% of the rivets I was going to do were going to be these pull or pop rivets. And lo and behold, I'm digging through these parts bags, if I can find them. Washers. There's a bag down here somewhere. Find these baggies of solid rivets. So, looks like I might have to give me a little cheapo rivet squeezer. If anybody else knows what else I can do, comment below. Give me some suggestions, because I am not very mechanically inclined, which surprised me. I was able to successfully build me a little table from the box. I just cut some of the bracings down the proper height and screw them in the corners. And next thing I intend to do, I'm going to go ahead and the surface isn't all that smooth. So if I use this surface, I'm gonna mar up the aluminum. So my next project, head down to the local big box store, big blue box store of Lowe's, and grab me a sheet of 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch plywood. Set up on top of here, and then we'll be good to go. So, let me know what you think. Very beginning steps hopefully with my work schedule I'll be able to come out here and do some more work this next week. If not, probably won't be until next Tuesday before I get any work done. So, see you then. Ciao.